Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome giveaway. Right here we have our latest winner. Now no matter what this winner chooses, you guys can go on and sign up for whatever you would like from the item shop, which does include the battle pass. If you would like to sign up, make sure to watch the entire video for the 3 steps coming right up. Let's just get started with the gifting. So let's go right into our battle pass. What am I saying, battle pass? Item shop. And then we're going to take a look at this awesome bundle that he chose. We're going to gift it. We're going to take a look at our party. Select his name, and we're gonna hold X to purchase. Yes, he's gonna get the bundle right away. He does not have to wait, not even a second. If he does not get it, well, actually I can verify that he got it because I can go scroll over his name. It says that he owns this, so I cannot gift it over again. Now let's say he didn't get it right away. It happens. All we have to do, well, he has to do is change his banner, or we can go into a game, get out of the game, and that's gonna refresh Fortnite for him. And there we go. There's the awesome skin. Congrats for winning once again. If you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Step number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're going to see support a creator. So you're just going to go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote backlink. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.